To access the availability dashboard, go to the Dashboard menu, then Geolocation, and then Availability. In this case, the system will display the geographical distribution of all NAPS defined in the network. The purpose of this dashboard is to check, for a given address, whether service is available when making a sale or a pre-sale. The system will show all NAPs with both available and occupied ports, along with their corresponding geolocation. Just like in the other geolocation dashboard, the system generates clusters to group NAPs that are in the same geographical location or very close to each other. For example, if we want to check availability in a specific area, we click on a particular cluster, and the system will expand that area. Within that area, we can see NAPs in green, which have free ports, NAPs in red, which have all their ports occupied, NAPs in orange, which have only one free port available for service. Let's suppose, for example, that we need to determine service availability on a specific street. We enter the address into the search bar, press Enter or click on Search. The system will center the map on the entered address and place a marker, representing the potential customer's address we want to connect. Based on that point, the system draws a circle, in this case with a radius of 100 meters, showing the NAPs that could potentially serve the customer. For example, when hovering the mouse over a NAP, we can see that the potential customer is 43 meters away. If we select another NAP, the distance might be, for instance, 96 meters. In this way, the person performing the pre-sale or the engineer can determine which NAP is the most suitable to connect the new customer. In any case, the commercial staff will be able to identify that, for that geolocated address, there are several available NAPs, all of which have free ports. As in other dashboards, we can return to the original map view where all NAPs are shown. We can zoom in on a specific point, in this case the particular customer we were looking for, and from there, filter NAPs with available ports. Hide those without available ports. Clear applied filters. At the top, you can also select whether to connect the new customer to a specific OLT, whether to connect to a specific node, filter NAPs by ports, by equipment type, or by equipment brand, or simply select a specific NAP.